guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Thanashri Naik. In today's lecture, we are going to start lesson 2 of class 8 French. We will cover up section 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3 in this video. Links for lesson 0 and lesson 1 are in the description box. Do check it. Now without any further delay, let's get started. Lesson 2. Où est Madame Deshmukh? Where is Mrs. Deshmukh? In this lesson, we are going to learn few more greetings, some basic directions, then definite articles, plural of some nouns, cardinal numbers from 70 to 100, interrogation, negation, ordinal numbers, the verb avoir and il y a. 2.1 Où est Madame Deshmukh? Karan is outside the lobby of his building. He is punching the number to open the door. He sees his neighbor, Madame Dupont, talking to someone on the road. Madame Dupont. Oh, la famille Deshmukh. Au troisième étage à droite. Je suis la voici. Madame Dupont says, Oh, the Deshmukh family. On the 13th floor to the right. I am the neighbor. Then La Dame. La Dame is the short form of Madame. In English for Madam we say Ma'am as a short form. So in French for Madame the short form is Dame. So La Dame. Il y a un ascenseur? Is there a lift? Then Madame Dupont. Oui, à gauche derrière la porte. Voilà Karan, le fil de Deshmukh. Yes, to the left, behind the door. There's Karan, the son of Deshmukh. She calls Karan, who approaches them. La Dame. Hello Karan, do you recognize me? Karan says, Oui, bonjour, Madame Lenoir. Yes, good morning, Mrs. Lenoir. Madame Lenoir. Oh, you have started speaking French. Bonjour, Karan. Est-ce que maman et papa sont à la maison? Madame Lenoir says, Oh, you have started speaking French. Good morning, Karan. Is mommy and daddy at home? So that La Dame was Mrs. Lenoir. Karan. Non, ils ne sont pas là. Ils sont au bureau. Ils rentrent tard à 8h30 aujourd'hui. Karan says, No, they are not there. They are in the office. They will return late at 8:30 p.m. today. Madame Lenoir says, Hey Rucha, où est-elle? And Rucha, where is she? Devant l'ordinateur, comme toujours, in front of the computer as usual. He punches the number and the door opens. Karan. Merci, Madame Dupont. Au revoir, Madame Lenoir. Au monde, l'ascenseur est là. Karan says, Thank you, Mrs. Dupont. Goodbye. Mrs. Lenoir, are you coming up? The lift is there. On page number 14, there is one small box to the right of the page. Expression clé means key expressions. First one, où means where. Voilà, there's. Il y a, there is or there are. À gauche, to the left. À droite, to the right. Then devant, in front of. Derrière, behind. Au troisième étage, on the 13th floor. Le fil, the son. Mama, papa, mom and dad. Want to present an army. Presenting a friend. So the boy with blue t-shirt is saying, Salut Thierry, voici Karan. Hello Thierry, yes Karan. So the boy with yellow t-shirt is Thierry and the boy with red t-shirt is Karan. Thierry says, Bonjour Karan, je m'appelle Thierry. Hello Karan, my name is Thierry or myself Thierry. Enchante Theory. Now Karan says, nice to meet you, Theory. Then the blue boy, means the boy with blue t-shirt, says, ciao. Ciao is basically an expression. It does not have any meaning. It is used with, if we want to say hi or bye. So here it means bye. Point 3. La famille. La famille is the family. Voici la famille Deshmukh. La famille Deshmukh is equal to les Deshmukh. Two or more persons can form a family. Only one person cannot form a family. Same way, les Deshmukh means the people in the family. The people in the family, of course, they will be plural in number. So, les Deshmukh. Kedar Deshmukh. The translation of the first line is, here's the family Deshmukh, or here's Deshmukh family. Kedar Deshmukh est le père de Rucha et de Karan. Kedar Deshmukh is the father of Rucha and Karan. Anjali Deshmukh est la mère de Rucha et de Karan. Anjali Deshmukh is the mother of Rucha and Karan. Karan est la fille et Rucha est la fille the monsieur et the Madame Deshmukh. Karan is the son and Rucha is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Deshmukh. Now fil, the spelling of fil is F-I-L-S, means it's not plural. In the singular form only it has S, and the plural will also be the same, F-I-L-S. Only the article before the fil will change as per it. If it's singular, then it will be la, and if it's plural, then it will be lay. And la fil is the daughter. Karan est le frère. Karan est le frère de Rucha, et Rucha est la sœur de Karan. Karan is the brother of Rucha and Rucha is the sister of Karan. Monsieur Deshmukh est le mari de Madame Deshmukh. Mr. Deshmukh is the husband of Mrs. Deshmukh. Madame Deshmukh est la femme de Monsieur Deshmukh. Mrs. Deshmukh is the wife of Mr. Deshmukh. Les enfants ont des grands-parents aussi. The children have some grandparents also. Now the lady with purple sweater is the grandmother, green shirt is mother, then purple t-shirt guy is the father, and the green t-shirt will be grandfather. And this red boy is Karan and yellow girl is Rucha. So that's it for today, guys. In today's lecture we have completed section 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. In the next lecture we will be doing grammar section, that is section 1.4. I have given the vocabulary and the translation at the end of the video. Do take the screenshot of the same. You can like and share my video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. Comment below to give any suggestions and feedbacks. Till then, stay hungry, stay foolish. Bye.